Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone display setting guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys screen timeout setting guys. How can you change and guys how can you use your screen timeout setting in your Samsung phone device guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to guys change your screen timeout. Then guys scroll it, guys you can see your display setting, so guys tap here, then guys scroll it again, then guys you can see your screen timeout setting, so we will tap here, then guys you can change your screen timeout from here guys. So guys example for guys, we will take guys this 15-second screen timeout, so we will click on 15 seconds and guys come back. So guys wait and watch, so guys you can see my phone screen is on, and guys after 15 seconds guys my phone screen will off automatic guys. Wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. As you can see guys, going time and off. So I hope friends you have understood how to change screen timeout in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.